Hi students, welcome to the next session. In previous session, we completed 5.3 exercise and 5.4, and the next concept before doing next models, logarithmic differentiation. Now what is meant by logarithmic differentiation? Now when we need to use this concept, till now we learned only the formulas, whatever derivative of values, d by dx of x power n or d by dx of a power x. Those formulas in this x power n, when you take where x is a function, n is a constant, function power constant, or a power x means constant power function. These two we learn are e power x, whatever. It is a constant, it is a function. Now in this all models, all are what? One is a constant, one is a function is there, variable is there. But when the both base and index, both are functions is there. That means base also function, power also function. Then how to find derivative of that? In that case, we can't use this type of formulas. Directly we can't use this type of formulas. And for example, x power x is there. Both are variables. In this case, don't apply x power n formula. It is wrong completely, because this is applicable only x power some constant is there only. That formula is applicable. In remaining cases, when both are base and index, both are functions are there, in that case, these formulas are not applicable. That's why we are using logarithmic differentiation. What is that function? We will discuss method. Let a function is given by some y is equal to f of x power g of x. Now both are, this is a function is given. When one function power another function is given, how to differentiate this? Directly we are not differentiating. Then differentiating this function by using logarithmic, that is only we called as logarithmic differentiation. Now where f of x and g of x are differentiable functions, now when do you want to differentiate this function, these functions, what f of x power g of x, if you want to differentiate these type of functions by using logarithmic, that is only we called as logarithmic differentiation. Okay, now take that function, what is given? Y is equal to f of x power g of x. Directly we differentiate on both sides also, we can't apply any formula, we don't have. What are the formulas we learn? Those formulas are not applicable in this case. That's why we'll applying both sides, applying log on both sides. Log y is equal to log of f of x power g of x. This is like log a to the power of b. We cannot b into log a. From this I will write log y is equal to g of x into log of f of x. Here, now it is changed into u into v formula. This is u, this is v, product of function. Now we can differentiate. That's why before we can't differentiate. After applying logarithmic only, we can differentiate the function. That's why this concept we called as logarithmic differentiation. When we need to use means the given function having in the form of f of x power g of x. That means both our functions are there. In that case, we need to apply logarithmic differentiation. Now, we will differentiate with respect to x. Log y derivative 1 by y. Again, inner function y derivative dy by dx. Here u into v formula. U g of x into v dash. V dash means log derivative 1 by f of x. Again, what is inner function? F of x derivative is f dash of x plus log of f of x into u dash. U dash means g of x derivative is what? G dash of x. Now we need only dy by dx. Send this y that side. Now from this what we'll get? Dy by dx equal to y into g of x into f dash of x by f of x plus g dash of x into log of f of x. Now we'll replace y value again. What is the y original? F of x power g of x. That value will substitute here. Now this is the method of logarithmic differentiation. This is a process or procedure we called. In this process we need to follow for differentiating the function, one function power another function. Sometimes when the function contains complicated values, lengthy equation is there. For example, the function is given like this: square root of x plus a into x plus b into x plus c by some value, some x plus d given. Directly will differentiate. It's very difficult to differentiate. Reason, root derivative 1 by 2 root, again u by v formula. In that u by v formula, u dash derivative is u, 3 terms is there. In that case also we will use logarithmic only by applying log. Root means power 1 by 2. By applying log we can apply easy manner. Similarly, when product of many functions are there also, you will use logarithmic differentiation. In this all models you will use apply log on both sides. After converting into simplified form into standard formula, then we can differentiate with respect to x. Not only one function for another function, when the complicated terms are there, expressions are there, in that case also we will apply logarithmic differentiation. Let's go to example 1. Differentiate under root of x minus 3 into x square plus 4 by 3x square plus 4x plus 5 with respect to x. Directly differentiating is very difficult. Reason, product is there and ratio is there and square root is there. Direct derivative is very complicated. That's why we'll use logarithmic differentiation. Let us consider this is y equal to root of x minus 3 into x square plus 4 by 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Now I'll apply log on both sides. Log y equal to log of square root means power 1 by 2 only na. That I will take x minus 3 into x square plus 4 by 3x square plus 4 plus 5 whole power 1 by 2. That 1 by 2 will pre-multiply log a to the power of b formula. Now here log y equal to 1 by 2 into, this is like log of a by b. What is the log of a by b formula? Log a minus log b, that is log of x minus 3 into x square plus 4 minus log of 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Again log y equal to 1 by 2 into, this is log of a into b, log a plus log b, log of x minus 3 plus log of x square plus 4 minus log of 3x square plus 4x plus 5. First you will apply log of a by b, log a minus log b. Again log of a into b is log a plus log b. In yesterday's session I given these formulas. Now each one is converted into log x form only. Inside of log whatever is the inner function, but overall it is in the form of log x, single function is there. We can differentiate easily now. Now differentiating with respect to x. Log y derivative 1 by y derivative dy by dx. 1 by 2 into log of x minus 3 derivative is 1 by x minus 3. Inner function, what is the x minus 3 derivative is 1, x derivative 1, 3 derivative 0. That is 1 only. Plus here log of anything derivative is 1 by x. Again inner function derivative x square derivative 2x, 4 derivative 0 plus, sorry minus only there, minus log derivative 1 by 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Here what is the remaining? 3 into x square derivative 2x, 4x like kx derivative k, 5 derivative 0, it is a constant. Now y is in denominator left side, send right side will come to numerator. Now what you will get? Dy by dx equal to y into 1 by, that is y by 2, into 1 by x minus 3 plus remaining 2x by x square plus 4, 3 2s are 6, minus 6x plus 4 by 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Now we will substitute original y value. What is y value? Square root of, that is 1 by 2 into y means square root of x minus 3 into x square plus 4 divided by 3x square plus 4x plus 5 into 1 by x minus 3 plus 2x by x square plus 4 minus 6x plus 4 by 3x square plus 4x plus 5. This is a method of solving this type of models. I'll give one same model question homework, same model, like they'll give square root, they'll give same model question. You can try to solve it. Question number 2, differentiate square root of x minus 1 into x minus 2 by x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 5 with respect to x. So same model, you can try to solve this question. Easy only, same method follow. So next, third one, this is important. 2 marks. Differentiate x power sin x, comma x is greater than 0 with respect to x. Same here, function power function is there. That's why we need to use logarithmic. Let us assume y x power sin x. Directly we can't differentiate, that's why applying log on both sides. So log y equal to log x power sin x. That power will pre-multiply. Log a to the power of b is b into log a. Log y is equal to sin x into log x. Now it is converted into u into v formula. Now we can differentiate easily. Now differentiate with respect to x both sides. Okay na? Log y derivative 1 by y. Again y derivative dy by dx equal to, this is u, this is v. U into v formula what? U into v dash plus v into u dash. U is sin x. V dash means log x derivative 1 by x plus v into u dash. Derivative of sin is what? Cos x. Send this y that side. Dy by dx equal to y into sin x into 1 sin x by x plus log x into cos x. Now substitute y value. What is the y value? X power sin x into sin x by x plus log x into cos x. That is a value. Next, example 4, find dy by dx, comma if y power x plus x power y plus x power x equal to a power b. Here sum of 3 function power function models are there, like y power x, x power y, x power x. This is constant, no issue. Directly we can't apply log, because we apply log of a plus b plus c, we don't have any formula. We have log of a into b into c, you can write log a plus log b plus log c. Log a plus log b plus log c is log of a into b into c. But don't apply log of a plus b plus c is log of a into b into c. There is no formula for that. So individually we need to find derivative, then we need to substitute in this equation. How to do this type of when more this type of functions are there in the form of f of x power g of x. Here y and x both involved. From this equation we need to find dy by dx. Let what is given? Given that y power x power y, x power x equal to a power b. I will consider let u equal to y power x, v equal to x power y, w equal to x power x, three functions. After assuming u, v, w, what the equation will becomes u plus v plus w equal to a power b. Now if you differentiate this one, what are the required values? Differentiate with respect to x. Now du by dx, dv by dx, dw by dx. A power b derivative 0. This is equation 1. In these two terms you will get dy by dx. Reason y is involved. If you find du by dx and dv by dx, you will get in the process of values, you will get dy by dx. That's why for this equation we need to find du by dx, dv by dx, dw by dx. Now take u. What is u? Y power x. Now y power x, now individually we can directly differentiate for du by dx? No, because here function power function. Y also variable, x also variable. That's why we will apply log on both sides. It's a little bit lengthy, applying log on both sides. Log u equal to x will come front, that is x log y. That's a log of y power x means x log y only. Now again here u into v formula. By differentiating this with respect to x, log u derivative 1 by u derivative du by dx equal to u into v formula, what? X into u into v dash, log y derivative 1 by y, again y derivative dy by dx plus log y into x derivative 1. Send this u that side. Du by dx equal to u into x by y into dy by dx plus log y. Now u value what here? U value clearly y power x to x by y dy by dx plus log y. Here only simplify this value. Y power x multiply inside y power x into x by y into dy by dx plus y power x into log y. A power m by a power n. Here y means power how much? 1. So a power m minus n. That's why y power x minus 1 into x into dy by dx plus y power x into log y. This is a simplified value of du by dx. Reason, finally we want dy by dx from this. That's why I am simplifying into reduced form. This is equation 2. Next, let take v value. What is v? X power y. Same function power function. Directly we can't integrate. That's why derivate. Applying log on both sides. Log v equal to power will come front y into log x. Okay, this is u, this is v while differentiating. Now differentiate with respect to x. Log v derivative 1 by v. Again v derivative dv by dx. U into v formula. Y into log x derivative 1 by x. X derivative 1 only. Plus log x into y derivative dy by dx. Send this v that side. dv by dx equal to v into y by x plus log x into dy by dx. Now from this v value substitute, dv by dx equal to v nothing but x power y into y by x plus log x into dy by dx. Now multiply this x power y inside, what will get? X power y into y by x means power 1 plus x power y into log x into dy by dx. Now again a power m by a power n, a power m minus n, that is x power y minus 1 into y plus x power y into log x into dy by dx. This is dv by dx value. Take it as equation number 3. Next, let another one, third, w equal to x power x. Again both are functions based on the power. So applying log on both sides. Applying log on both sides, what you will get? Log w equal to x into log x. Power will come front. So again u into v formula while differentiating. Now differentiating with respect to x, the log w derivative 1 by w, again w derivative is dw by dx. To u into v formula, x into log x derivative 1 by x plus log x into x derivative 1. Now in this case x gets cancelled, w cross multiply, dw by dx equal to w into 1 plus log x. Now here w value is how much here? Clearly x power x. That's why here dy by dx is not involved. That's why no need to multiply inside. Keep like that only. So x power x into 1 plus log x is the value of dw by dx. This is equation number 4. Now we got du by dx, dv by dx and dw by dx. These all values we need to substitute in equation number 1. Substitute equation 2, 3, 4 in equation 1. What is equation 1? du by dx plus dv by dx plus dw by dx is equal to 0. What is du by dx value? Y power x minus 1 into x into dy by dx plus y power x into log y plus dv by dx value x power y minus 1 into y plus x power y into log x into dy by dx plus dw by dx value x power x into 1 plus log x is equal to what? 0. Now I am eliminating these all values not required now. Now from this equation we need to find dy by dx value. Now to find dy by dx value. Now in which terms having dy by dx? This first term and this term. Remaining all terms send right side. Now I am taking dy by dx from these terms. Y power x minus 1 into x plus x power y into log x. In remaining all terms for second, third and last term, no dy by dx. It's all are plus. If you send right side, it becomes minus. That's why I'm writing minus of bracket. I'm taking, send this value y power x log y plus x power minus 1 into y plus x power x into 1 plus log x. Now we need to finally dy by dx. This is multiple, same that side divisible. Now finally dy by dx value is minus of y power x into log y plus x power y minus 1 into y plus x power x into 1 plus log x whole divided by y power x minus 1 into x plus x power y into log x. Now this is the final value of dy by dx. Now next exercise 5.5. Solve models when to differentiate. Differentiate the functions. with respect to x. This first question, cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x. A product of two functions, you can apply UV formula or logarithmic also you can use. Several methods are there. Now we come to the solution. Let assume y equal to cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x. We can apply log on both sides, otherwise we can apply u into v formula also, no issue in that. This is assume as u, assume as v. Now differentiating with respect to x, what y derivative dy by dx, u is cos x into cos 2x into v derivative means like this, you can take d by dx of cos 3x plus v cos 3x into u dash means derivative of u means what is there, cos x into cos 2x. We can use in several methods, not only this one. You can apply log on both sides also. Now cos derivative minus sin 3x into 3x derivative is 3 plus cos 3x into again which formula here, u into v formula, same u into v formula we need to apply here again. U into v formula is what, u into v dash means derivative of cos is minus sin 2x into again 2x derivative 2 plus cos 2x into derivative of cos x is minus sin x. We need to simplify this. Now total minus plus into minus is minus 3 into cos x into cos 2x into sin 3x. Next here plus into minus, minus 2, otherwise if you write what will get product, cos x into sin 2x into cos 3x. Again this total value multiply for this also, what, plus into minus, again minus into plus, minus, nothing value, no other constant value otherwise if you write means first sin x, again cos 2x, again last cos 3x. Now this is the value of dy by dx. If apply like product rule only, if apply log means you will get y into log cos x plus log of cos 2x plus log of cos 3x. Log derivative apply, you will get the another form of the formula. Next, second one. Assume directly y let y equal to log x power cos x. Same here, function power function means compulsory we need to use logarithmic differentiation. So first applying log on both sides. Applying log on both sides. Now log y equal to log a to the power of b form, that power will come front, cos x into log of log x. Now differentiate this because it changed into u into v formula. Differentiate with respect to x. Log y derivative 1 by y, again y derivative dy by dx equal to u cos x into v dash means log of log, first outer function is log, inside whatever it may be log derivative is 1 by, so 1 by log x. Again what is inner function, log x derivative is what, 1 by x plus v log of log x into u dash means cos x derivative is minus sin x. Now from this send this y that side, dy by dx equal to y into cos x divided by log x into x or x log x, plus into minus pre-multiply sin x into log of log x. Now y value substitute. What is the y value? Log x power cos x. Log x power cos x into what is the value? cos x by x log x minus sin x into log of log x. Now this is the value of dy by dx. Next, third one. Directly I'll assume y, let y equal to function is x power x minus 2 power sin x. Now here difference between two functions are there here. Directly we can't apply log because log of a minus b we don't have any formula. That's why I'll assume each one u is x power x, v is 2 power sin x. After assuming u and v, this y value becomes u minus v. Here we need to differentiate complete function, means we need to find dy by dx. That's why we are differentiating with respect to x. What is the y derivative? dy by dx, u derivative du by dx, v derivative dv by dx. This considered as equation number 1. To find dy by dx, dy by dx is nothing but what? Derivative of the function. That only we need. For that we need du by dx and dv by dx. Now let u equal to x power x. Function power function is there. That's why we need to applying log on both sides, and then we need to differentiate applying log on both sides. Now log u equal to power will come from x into log x. Now it is u into v formula. Now differentiate with respect to x. Log u derivative 1 by u. Again inner function u derivative du by dx. U into v form. Okay. U is x into v dash 1 by x. Again x derivative 1, no need to write. Plus log x into x derivative is 1. Here x gets cancelled. U value cross multiply. Du by dx equal to u into 1 plus log x into 1 is log x. Du by dx equal to u means what? X power x into 1 plus log x. This is equation number 2. Next, let v equal to 2 power sin x. You no need to apply log because base is a constant, power is a function. Okay, that's why you can apply a power x formula. A power x derivative is what? A power x into log a. Again that power of what is there? Sin x derivative. Separately we need to do for that. So differentiating with respect to directly in this case, derivative of v with respect to x denoted by dv by dx. A power x derivative is a power x into log a base e. Again that power we need to differentiate inner function. Sin x derivative what? Cos x. Again you apply log means lengthy process, not required. So finally this is the value we got. What? Cos x into log 2 base e into 2 power sin x. This is value of dv by dx. Just simple substitute equation 2, 3 in equation 1. What is equation 1 is there? dy by dx value. Du by dx value what? X power x into 1 plus log x minus cos x into log 2 to the base e into 2 power sin x. Now this is the value of dy by dx. Next, question number 4. They given again in terms of completely x, that's why I'll assume let y equal to x plus 3 whole square, x plus 4 whole cube into x plus 5 whole power 4. This one directly differentiating difficult, that's why we'll apply log on both sides. This is like log of a into b into c, we can write log a plus log b plus log c. So before differentiating, directly differentiating is difficult, that's why we are applying logarithmic differentiation concept. Log y equal to log of x plus 3 whole square into x plus 4 whole cube into x plus 5 whole power 4. Now from this log y equal to log of a into b into c, log of x plus 3 whole square plus log of x plus 4 whole cube plus log of x plus 5 whole power 4. Now each one in the form of log of a to the power of b. P into log a, power will pre-multiply. Log y equal to 2 log of x plus 3 plus 3 log of x plus 4 plus 4 log of x plus 5. Now each one converted into log x formula. Now we can differentiate easily value. Now differentiating with respect to x, log y derivative 1 by y, again y derivative dy by dx, 2 log derivative 1 by x plus 3, inner function derivative 1 only, 1 x derivative 1, 3 derivative 0, again 3 into 1 by x plus 4, again inner function derivative 1, no need to write, 4 into 1 by x plus 5, send this y that side, dy by dx equal to y into what inside, 2 by x plus 3 plus 3 by x plus 4 plus 4 by x plus 5. Now y value substitute. What is y means? X plus 3 whole square into x plus 4 whole cube into x plus 5 whole power 4 into 2 by x plus 3 plus 3 by x plus 4 plus 4 by x plus 5. This is the value of dy by dx. Next, question number 5. This is also given completely in terms of x. That's why I'll assume y equal to x plus 1 by x whole power x plus x power 1 plus 1 by x. Here sum of two functions and each function in the form of f of x power g of x. We can't apply log on both directly. Reason, if I apply log means log y, it is like log of a plus b form. We don't have any formula, that's why we need to assume each function separately u and v, other symbol. Here u is equal to x plus 1 by x whole power x, v equal to x power 1 plus 1 by x. After assuming u and v, y value becomes u plus v. We need to differentiate complete function. Complete function, what you assumed y? Complete function derivative means we need to find dy by dx. That's why differentiate this with respect to x. dy by dx equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Equation number 1. Now, to find du by dx, take u equal to x plus 1 by x whole power x. Function power function means they are compulsory. Before differentiating, we need to applying log on both sides. Here what will get? Log u is equal to, that power will come from x into log of x plus 1 by x. This is in the form of u into v. Differentiating on both sides. Differentiating with respect to x. Now log u derivative 1 by u. Again u derivative du by dx. U x into v dash. Log of anything is first 1 by x plus 1 by x. Again what is inner function? X plus 1 by x. X derivative 1 by x derivative already we given formula. Derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square plus v log of x plus 1 by x into u dash. X derivative is 1. Send this u value that side. Du by dx equal to u into x by, take LCM, x square plus 1 by x. Here also take LCM, x square minus 1 by x square plus log of x plus 1 by x. Your first one x value cancel. Again another x value cancel. Okay, now u value substitute. What is u means? X plus 1 by x whole power x into numerator is x square minus 1, denominator is x square plus 1 plus log of x plus 1 by x. This is du by dx value. Next, let take v value. What is v? X power 1 plus 1 by x. Same, this also function, power also a function. That's why before differentiating, applying log on both sides, then we can differentiate this. Log v equal to, log of means this power will come front, 1 plus 1 by x into log x. Again u into v formula only. This is u, this is v for differentiating. Now differentiating with respect to x, log v derivative 1 by v, again v derivative dv by dx equal to u 1 plus 1 by x into log x derivative 1 by x plus log x into u dash, 1 derivative 0 and 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x square. Now dv by dx equal to v into, take LCM, if you want means x plus 1 by, here already x is there, x into x, what you will get? X square plus into minus is minus log x divided by denominator is x square. Substitute v value, x power 1 plus 1 by x into x plus 1 by x square minus log x divided by x square. That's all, no need to simplify further. That is a dv by dx value. Substitute equation 2 and 3 in equation 1. What is equation 1 is there? dy by dx equal to du by dx value. What is the du by dx value we got already? X plus 1 by x whole power x into x square minus 1 by x square plus 1 plus log of x plus 1 by x plus dv by dx. dv by dx value what? X power 1 plus 1 by x into x plus 1 by x square minus log x by x square. This is the value of dy by dx. So next question, sixth one. This is important for 3 marks. This is also given completely in terms of x. That's why I'm taking that y equal to log x power x plus x power log x. Okay, again here two functions sum is there. Directly applying log is not possible. So assume u log x power x v x power log x. After assuming u and v, y value becomes u plus v. We need dy by dx for the complete function derivative. So we are differentiating with respect to x. Y derivative dy by dx, u derivative du by dx, v derivative dv by dx. Question number 1. Now we need du by dx. Let take u value log x power x. Again here function power function, that's why before differentiating applying log on both sides. Now log u equal to power will come front. We need to apply log for base. What will get? Log of log x. If apply log also, log of log x power x. That x will come front, remaining log of log x. And here this is u, this is v for differentiation. And differentiating with respect to x. Log u derivative 1 by u. Again u derivative du by dx. Here u into v dash, x into log of log. Log of log means 1 by log x. Again log x derivative 1 by x plus v. V is as it is log of log x into u dash. X derivative is 1. Here x gets cancelled. Cross multiply u. Du by dx equal to u into 1 by log x plus log of log x. What is u means? Log x power x. Log x power x by into 1 by log x plus log of log x. This is equation number 2. This is the value of du by dx. Next we need dv by dx. That's why take v. V is x power log x. Same function power function. That's why we need to apply log on both sides. So log v equal to log of x power log x. Log x will pre-multiply. For base again log x will come. So log x into log x. Doubt is there? Keep like this only. U into v formula apply. No issue in this for differentiation. Now differentiating with respect to x. Log v derivative 1 by v. Again v derivative dv by dx. U into v formula. Log x into log x derivative 1 by x plus v. Log x into again log x derivative 1 by x. Log x by x. Here also log x by x. 2 times now. That's why 2 log x by x will get. So here v cross multiplication. V into 2 log x by x. What is the v value? X power log x. Total x power log x into 2 log x divided by x. This is equation number 3. These two values we need to substitute in equation 1. Substitute equation 2 and 3 in equation 1. What is equation 1? dy by dx equal to du by dx is log x power x into 1 by log x plus log of log x plus dv by dx x log x into 2 log x by x. This is the final value of dy by dx. Next, question number 7. I'll give homework. Now what is the function is given? Sin x power x plus sin inverse root x. Complete function assume as y ma. This is u, this is v. U for finding u du by dx we need to apply log here compulsory. Here sin inverse x formula apply directly. dv by dx value will get 1 by root of 1 minus root x whole square x. Again root x derivative is 1 by 2 root x. Second one you can find easily, but first one we need to apply log and then we need to differentiate. Okay, what have you done in previous model? Like that only. Okay, next 8th question. 8th question also I'll give homework. Same model, x power sin x, sin x power cos x. Okay, these two are homework. 9th question. X power x cos x plus x square plus 1 by x square minus 1. This also try to do homework. Same model. Same. Here I can apply log u by v formula, but here applying log on both sides. We'll get answer. Okay. Next. 10th question I will do. This is also function of x is given. Let y equal to x cos x whole power x plus x sin x whole power 1 by x. Okay. Here also sum of two functions and each function in the form of f of x power g of x. Directly we can't differentiate. That's why assuming first the function is u, x cos x whole power x v x sin x whole power 1 by x. After assuming it will becomes what? Y equal to u plus v. Now differentiating with respect to x to find overall function derivative dy by dx equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. This is considered as equation number 1. Now to find du by dx, take u. What is u? X cos x whole power x. Now before differentiating we need to apply log on both sides. Reason we don't have any formula directly for differentiation. Du by dx equal to that power will come from x log of x cos x. Now this is clearly u into v formula. With respect to x, it's a formula purpose I am taking uv. Originally is u symbol, is a function, okay? Differentiating with respect to x means, sorry, log applying na, du by dx won't come, log u will get, later, you will get du by dx. Log u derivative 1 by u, again u derivative du by dx. U into v formula, x into log of anything, first 1 by x log x. Again we need to differentiate these two inner functions. Inner function again in which form? U into v formula. That's why x into cos derivative minus sin plus cos x into x derivative 1. Repeat again, log of anything derivative is 1 by. Again inner function what? Product of two functions. Product is there again which formula? uv formula. U into v dash plus v into u dash plus v log of x cos x into x derivative is 1. U cross multiply, here x gets cancelled. Du by dx equal to u into cos x completely multiple for denominator. What you will get? Minus x sin x. If you divide, what you will get? By cos x plus cos x by cos x plus log of x cos x. Only for this is a denominator. Here cos cancel, u value substitute, x cos x whole power x to minus x tan x plus 1 plus log of x cos x. This is the value of du by dx. Equation 2. Next, let v equal to x sin x whole power 1 by x. Same function power function, applying log on both sides. Now what you will get? Log v equal to power will come from 1 by x into log of x sin x. For easy purpose, derivative of 1 by x already we know formula, no issue in this. We can do directly. Now again u into v formula, differentiating with respect to x, log v derivative 1 by v, again v derivative dv by dx equal to first u 1 by x, v means log of x sin x, derivative is 1 by x sin x. Again inside of log what is there? Inner function x sin x means product of two functions, uv formula, x into sin x derivative cos x, sin x into 1 x derivative 1. This is u into v dash over. Next v log of x sin x into 1 by x derivative is what? Minus 1 by x square, u into v dash plus v into u dash. Derivative of 1 by x already we given in list, formula list. So derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Here v cross multiplication, dv by dx equal to v into, multiply this x into x, x square sin x multiplying inside, okay, for every term. x cos x by x into x square sin x plus sin x by this one denominator x square sin x plus into minus log of x sin x by x square. Okay, now dv by dx, v means what? X sin x whole power 1 by x. Here 1x value cancel, here sin x cancel completely. Now what cos by sin? Cot x by x, here only 1 by x square minus log of x sin x by x square. Now this is equation number 3. Substitute same equation 2 and 3 in equation 1. What is equation 1? dy by dx equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Du by dx value already we got. This is du by dx. X cos x whole power x into minus x tan x plus 1 plus log of x cos x plus dv by dx x sin x whole power 1 by x into cot x by x plus 1 by x square minus log of x into sin x by x square. This is the value directly substituting in equation number 1. Next models, find dy by dx of the given functions. Now question number 11. Already y one number less coming means question number 2 already we given in example homework, same model. Now your first question, x power y plus y power x equal to 1. Here in previous all questions the function completely in terms of x is there, but here equation is given that equation having y variable and x variable. Directly we can't apply log here because log of a plus b form we don't have any formula. We have to assume each one is separately. U is equal to x power y, v equal to y power x. After assuming what you will get, u plus v equal to 1. While finding derivative of u and v, in that process only we can get dy by dx. So to find dy by dx we need to differentiate this equation completely. du by dx plus dv by dx, one derivative is 0, considered as equation number 1. Now first let u equal to x power y. Now it is clearly we need to apply logarithmic differentiation. What is the reason? Function power function is there, that's why we need to apply log on both sides. For that log u equal to, that power will come from y into log x. Now clearly it is u into v form. Now for differentiation with respect to x, log u derivative 1 by u, again u derivative du by dx, u into v formula, y into log x derivative 1 by x plus log x into y derivative is dy by dx. Next send this u right side, du by dx equal to u into y into 1 by x is y by x plus log x into dy by dx. Now what is the u value? Here only we need to simplify also because we need dy by dx. Finally log x into dy by dx. If we multiply inside, what will get? X power y in by x. What will get? X power y minus 1 into y plus this will multiply as it is. X power y into log x into dy by dx. Same expression we got in example. Okay. This is du by dx, equation 2. Next we need dv by dx. What is v value? Y power x. Same function power function, applying log on both sides. Now what you will get here? Log v equal to x into log y. Again this is u, this is v. While differentiating, now differentiating with respect to x, log v derivative 1 by v, again v derivative dv by dx. U is x, v dash 1 by y, log y derivative, again y derivative dy by dx plus log y into x derivative is 1. Cross multiply v, dv by dx equal to v into x by y into dy by dx plus log y. What is the v value? It's clearly y power x into x by y dy by dx plus log y. This is the value of dv by dx, considered as equation number 3. Now these two equations substitute in equation number 1. Substitute equation 2, 3 in equation 1. Here assuming substituting in 1, du by dx, what is the first equation? Du by dx plus dv by dx equal to 0. Du by dx value is what? Y power. Now one more step we can simplify here before taking equation. Reason we need dy by dx na simplified form we need. That's why y power x multiply inside. Here denominator y, that's why a power m by a power n, y power x minus 1 into x into dy by dx. Here y power x completely multiple here into log y. This one considered as 3. Now substitute equation 2, 3 in equation 1. Now what is equation 1 is the du by dx. Du by dx is x power y minus 1 into y plus x power y into log x into dy by dx plus dv by dx value y power x minus 1 into x into dy by dx plus y power x into log y is equal to 0. In which terms having dy by dx take common, remaining terms send right side. In this two term dy by dx, these two are plus, right side completely becomes minus. So we'll take minus is common. Now dy by dx common in left side. What remaining? X power y into log x plus y power x minus 1 into x equal to, both will becomes minus. That's why we'll take minus is common. What is the first value? X power minus y minus 1 into y plus y power x into log y. This is completely multiple. Send that side, it will be divisible. Now dy by dx equal to minus of x power y minus 1 into y plus y power x into log y divided by x power y into log x plus y power x minus 1 into x. This is the finally dy by dx value.